You've seen those crazy meme edits, the ones with troll face moments, insane zooms, and loud shakes. But what if I told you, now you can make them too?
Would like to take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke.
In today's video, I'm giving you a full troll face XML, completely free, so you can drop the funniest, cleanest meme edits right on your phone using Alight Motion. Watch till the end to see how it looks. Hope you like it. XML will drop on Telegram channel once this video hit 300 likes. Any problem, comment down. You can take channel membership if you want early access.